So this is Jim, and this is Slop in the Shop time. Slop in the Shop's basically my collection of mail call, this and that pieces. So enjoy the video that you're fixing to see. See, we get a little bit old slop in the shop. We'll feed the pig. Have a good one. Good morning. Updates on stuff. This is the bracket. It still needs another coat of paint. I will paint this bracket. Kind of move it. White. It's like a primer color that's on it right now. So I made a Walmart trip. Yes, machinists go to Walmart. I want for paint thinner, just used for general cleaning. A couple of cans of spray paint. Cheap paint. Now, before somebody burns the comments up on the paint, I'm going to make a quick comment. For a lot of usage that you're just spraying stuff off real quick, this dollar spray paint's just fine. Like this packet would be fine. Back in my younger days, I used to do a little bit of racing and help people. We used a lot of this inside a race car, like roll bars, something. We'd burn some paint off of something, or fixing something, shoot it back. Handy. A couple of cans of brake cleaner. Another item around the shop. Walmart's usually got this stuff fairly cheap for like $2 a can. Something you use a lot in the shop. 5-minute epoxy. Another item I use a lot in the shop. And some craft brushes, foam craft brushes. I've got these for bluing. I want to use these when I do my bluing instead of using cotton balls. I had some and it works really good. So that's what this is for. When I make a tool or need to blue something, I'm going to use that. And I know you've been seeing my Bradford Repair project. That's what the Epsom salt's for. I'm going to drill some holes in stump, try to rot them. And we got a car that's got a lot of miles on it that we drive every day. That's got an oil leak. And it's in such a place it's hard to get to, and it requires. So whatever time I pick up some oil, and I'm not, this isn't advertising Pavlov. I do want, when I get oil, I won't name brand, I don't want store brand, but this, all we're going to do is just keep this around, put in the car when we need oil. And that'd be the cheapest name brand that works in the car. So with all that being said, that's today's Walmart haul, and I just throw that in there to put in the video. This morning I'm going to be working on painting my bracket white, and then I got to run to Kings Mountain and see my mom, 2 in Shelby, so busy day. Another quick tip there if you want to paint sometime. Now with Rust-Oleum, I got bigger knobs, but most of your other inexpensive paints, excuse me for moving that, and the little one's still the old one, so that I've got one of these paint handles that just greatly comes in handy. So throw that in for Slop Shop. We'll see you later. All right, this is the flag mount. This is the view from the ground here, and I just wanted to shoot this. This is handheld. Then I'm gonna make another clip and show you. Just in case you was wondering why I made the flat flag mount and what the deal was during the construction of this recent video of the flag mount. Well, what it is basically, if you'll look at it, it's mounted so it'd be at night, well, you know, basically straight away from the house. The other mount was mounted that way, and it never really performed quite the way it should have because it wasn't really designed for this. And then all the wind and whatnot that you get. This particular flagpole has been massaged a lot by me. You see there's a big dirling piece on the end to keep the flag from sliding, and a few other things that's been done. And basically what I've done is made a system up to where the sucker just don't move. And so this is kind of going to Slop the shop, give you an update on the flagpole that I worked on and done the video on. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it for you. This again, a quick thanks to all the folks who subscribe and comment on my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit the little subscribe button there, below the video. Again, this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next video.